Good morning, ladies. My name is Marin. I want to welcome you to Thankful Thriftiness and my new home. Today, I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of my husband and my new house, which we are so excited about. And we'll tell you some of the story of how we came to live here. So come on inside. I should probably start off this video by warning you that we moved in only maybe a week and a half ago. And we were on a camping trip for a good portion of that. So the house is still not exactly in order. So please pardon any messes you see. Currently working on just wrapping everything up. But we are so thankful for this house. It took a while. We were searching for a house for a good portion of the summer. We had a couple big disappointments, but in the end, we're just so thankful that the Lord protected us from getting those other homes because this home was so well taken care of. We met the owners, they're absolute dears. They loved this home so much. They raised their kids here for a good portion of their lives, and they actually bought it from his father, I believe. So it's been loved and well taken care of for years, and we are just so thankful that we found this gem because so much that's on the market today is like scraping the bottom of the barrel and way overpriced. But they were fair, they were kind, they went above and beyond. I think it's appropriate to begin this tour in our living room. We've had so much fun setting it up, and we look forward to entertaining guests here and just hanging out just as our family. Next, we have the kitchen, which is, of course, my own personal little domain. We have so much counter space, and it is such a blessing because at the apartment, you could not multitask. But here, I can get so many things done all at once. So I am thoroughly enjoying having a spacious kitchen, and it is so well taken care of and well maintained. And while I'm doing dishes, I have like a direct view outside, which is super nice and makes it much less of a tedious chore. Directly connected to the kitchen, we have our dining room, which is such a wonderful place to gather, talk, eat meals, and it's so close to the kitchen, it's super easy to serve up dinner. And also, who wouldn't want a big, lovely glass cabinet to display lovely tea things? Just saying. Then down this hall, we've got the bathroom here, we've got a guest bedroom here, the office over there, and our bedroom over there. Not gonna show you the guest room because currently it's serving as a storage unit. Now finally entering a room that has some decent lighting. This is our master bathroom. As you can see, a lovely tile shower, this awesome rack for towels, and this lovely bathroom sink. All of which are very handy. It also comes with a closet, which I use to store extra toiletries and etc. Very helpful. Once you exit the bathroom, it takes you directly into the master bedroom. It's a super comfy, cozy room. We enjoy opening the window every day and often in the evenings to let in fresh air. It also comes with a nice closet for storing clothes. Here's our office, which is currently kind of a disaster, but this is where we do our studying and work. I apologize for the lighting in this basement. It's pretty dark, but I wanted to show you. Here's our laundry area. It's really nice. We also have a laundry chute, which I forgot to show you in the bathroom, which is one of the coolest features of this house because literally you throw stuff down here. I can come down here once a day to sort through and see if I need to do a load, but other than that, like, stress-free laundry, I tell you, stress-free. Okay, so now for by far one of my favorite parts of this house. Welcome to the craft room. It's got a massive project table that the former owners left. Tons and tons of cabinet space and storage. And it's also got this awesome cork board for literally anything. The former owner, she loved to sew, so it's literally built for a sewing room, which is perfection. It's perfection. Once we, Lord willing, have children, this will probably be the homeschool room, and these giant white cabinets will be what we use to store books, I think, and homeschool material. I've got a ton of upcoming projects sitting on that table that I can't wait to share with you. taking the camera outside now because I want to show you some of the outdoors. So right here, I think we're gonna end up putting in some sort of an herb garden. I've already put some mint in there, so that might be kind of my tea herb garden. We shall see. And our sweet neighbor, the day we bought this home, gave us this lovely, lovely plant. I can't remember what she called it, but I've enjoyed having it around. Oh, and by the way, the neighbors are super sweet, which is a huge plus. The former owner left us this lovely fire pit and a whole stockpile of wood. Goals. Definitely goals. Over here we have our peach tree. I don't know if you can really see any right now. Looks like there's some left. I have to figure out how to get up there today and harvest the rest of them because I'm going to make a cobbler for Griffin tonight, but the season's almost over, so it's been fun while it lasted. I also have an apple tree directly above me. It's super sturdy, but it needs a lot of tender loving care before we can get good apples out of it, so definitely a project. What you can't see is that in the woods behind me, we actually back up to a river. It's not like a nice river that you want to swim in, but we hear there's some good fishing, so that's quite fun as well for at least Griffin. I'm not a huge fisher woman. One thing I didn't realize until like just now is how many cars go by. I have had so much road noise trying to film this video. So strange. Anyways, I'm back here on the front porch just hanging out. This is by far both my husband and my favorite spot in the entire house. We spend a lot of time out here. First thing in the morning, the sun comes through the trees in the front yard and it's just so serene and beautiful and peaceful. We do a lot of our Bible studies out here, and I'd love to bring even work out here sometimes. We are so grateful to be here. We thank the Lord every day for this place. Like I said, it was kind of a rough time finding a home. As many of you know who are trying to find a home in this day and age, and we put in a couple offers on a couple houses and we were pretty disappointed when they got turned down. However, both of the houses needed a lot of work that we weren't able to do right now, and they were way overpriced, but this one was a fair price and needed no work done to it. It was an absolute answer to prayer, that's all I can say. We're so happy to be here. We know that things get more stressful when you get a home, more responsibilities, but we're just thankful to have our own place to do life. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I look forward to bringing you a whole new plethora of videos from this place. It's gonna be so much fun, especially using that craft room. I am so excited. I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.